Welcome back to another episode of Tech Force. In this episode, we're taking a look at one of our favorite brands, and that's Ekster. Yes, they normally do all those wallets and stuff, but this time we're taking a look at their new offering, and it's a backpack. Let's get into it. First off, let's take a look at the dimensions. It's 12 by 18 by 6. So in centimeters, that's 30 centimeters by 46 centimeters by 15 centimeters. The volume, you're going to get 21 liters of capacity or space in here. And then the weight without anything in it is 1.2 kilograms. Then another thing here is it is made of recycled PET bottles. Yes, that's awesome. So a recycled product that is this amazing. Also, the water resistance is 600D. You can also suspend your laptop compartment for devices up to 16 inches. So if you've got a laptop 16 inches or smaller, this is for you. It also has dedicated pockets. There's one for your laptop, your iPad, documents, a power bank, your keys, your tracker card, your sunglasses, and of course, your wallet. Next up, the features. Here we go. It has got a 16-inch laptop safety pocket. That means if you've got a laptop 16 inches or smaller, this pocket is going to keep your laptop safe. Then, we also get the RFID protected side pockets that shield your sensitive information from potential electronic pickpockets. It also has side pockets that you can access while the backpack is actually worn. And I find this great because it's easy just to access items while traveling. So you can access your wallet, your passport, or even your phone without having to take the backpack off. This is a great feature. The waterproof zippers ensure that your gear stays dry even in unpredictable weather conditions. So if it's sunny or rainy or sandy, whatever you've got in this bag is going to be protected. Remember, this bag is made by the people that made us those secret agent wallets, the wallets that are RFID protected and stuff like that. So you're getting a quality product. They're here to look after the contents of our belongings and at the same time making the backpack look super cool. So whether you're a tech-savvy commuter, a passionate photographer, or an adventurous soul, this backpack is designed to seamlessly adapt to your needs. The Grid Backpack opens a full 180 degrees, allowing you to pack and unpack your gear with ease. Yes, very easy, zippity zip, openy open, and you've got complete access. The light lining ensures that you can quickly locate your belongings. The front zipper that allows you access to everything in your bag at once by opening just one zipper from the front instead of the top. The outer compression straps are perfect for securing your peripherals, your extras, like a towel if you're off to the beach, a yoga mat if you're off to gym, a tripod if you're a photographer, or even your boxing gloves if you're off to the gym to go and hit the bag. You can put your gloves on the side of them. Then, with the dedicated elastic side pocket, your water bottle is also always within reach. This means that while you're hiking, while you're on the move, you can just reach back, grab your water bottle, have a sip, and put it back in without having to take off your backpack. It's all on-the-go stuff. The only little drawback with this entire bag, well, is the cha-ching, cha-ching, the price. It is very expensive, running around 150 to 200 pounds, and this will be way too much for most people. Although it has such a high price tag, you get an unmatched premium experience where the price almost seems fair. So this one little negative is justified because you're paying for quality. Talking about quality, we like to bring you quality content. So go on over and hit that like and subscribe button for us. And don't forget the bell icon as well if you want to know every time we drop a video. Go on, give us a little bit of quality love. With this backpack, Ekster has also launched a few extras to go along with it, and this is going to run you a little bit more cha-ching, cha-ching, a little bit more cash. So things that they've got that can go along with the backpack is they've got a power bank, they've got a tech case, and they've also got something called a camera cube. These are all extras to make packing your backpack easy peasy lemon squeezy. The backpack is made from eco-friendly upcycled PET bottles. This weatherproof and drop-resistant backpack offers your most important tech, top-notch security. How comfortable is this backpack? Is it something you can wear all day? Well, Ekster say yes, without a doubt. And that's because of the gradation pattern on the shoulder straps. And this ensures a perfect fit. Then there's also the air mesh ventilated back panels that give you extra lower back support during those long hikes, treks, and bike rides. So when it comes to comfort, you are going to be in comfort. In conclusion, the Grid Backpack's thoughtful design set it apart from other travel backpacks on the market. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the great outdoors, or embarking on a photographic adventure, Ekster has created the ultimate travel gear to meet all of our needs. RFID protected side pockets are a very nice addition to have on a backpack, as cybersecurity is becoming very important. Everybody's out there trying to steal your information. The price will be the only drawback, as it's running at £150 to £200. However, I feel it's more than worth the money, because if you're going to pay for something of quality, then I don't mind paying that little bit extra to get the best. And if you want the best, you're going to have to pay for it. That's all we've got time for. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. I know who's going to be first in queue to go and buy these. You know who it's going to be? It's going to be Ethan Hunt, Jason Bourne, and 007. They're going to want these immediately. And so do I, actually. This is such a cool device. I'm going to use it every day. It's going to be part of my EDC. That's everyday carry.